This is Lenovo V14. Today we're going to unbox it and look at the difference between these and IdeaPad. Box looks the same seal over here and tape seal over there. When we look at the specs, we see that this one comes with Windows 11 Pro. So V series comes with Windows Pro. i3 12th gen, 8GB of RAM, 256 SSD, 14-inch Full HD. This is pretty standard. Inside the box looks the same Lenovo protection. It's very good, by the way. This is the charger, Lenovo charger, 65 watt. The connector is similar to ThinkPads. Warranty, manual papers. This is the laptop, business black color. There's this kind of texture. It's very different from IdeaPad. It's pretty light. It's lightweight, definitely. We have HDMI, we have USB-C, we have USB-A, charging. By the way, the charging is different. Headphone input. It's very light. Here we have Kensington lock, we have RJ45, and we have another USB-A. What's weird about it is that this is the charging port, but the connector in the charger is different. It's USB-C. So we're going to charge through this, and this one gonna be unusable. Weird. Here I have serial and model, and some kind of texture here. Have some papers. Let's see here. Again, this kind of texture. Engraved here. We have a fingerprint reader. No numeric buttons. This is 14-inch. I like the touchpad. Touchpad is great. Screen seems to be about the same as in the IdeaPad. Overall, I can see that this is kind of premium and lightweight, made of lighter material, obviously plastic. Buttons are average quality. When you press, it's good. Some buttons I do not like when I press them. Oh, this is a power button, okay. Overall, I would take it over IdeaPad, but I wouldn't want to pay any crazy money for this. The only upside I see is that it's light, a little bit better material than IdeaPad 1 and maybe IdeaPad 3, but IdeaPad 5 I would pick over this one. If Windows 11 Pro is important for you, then it's also a good choice. I don't see any valuable difference between Windows 11 Home and Pro. If you upgrade, it's $100 difference. So this one comes already with Windows 11 Pro. As for the specs for this model, i3 8256, it's pretty standard. It's gonna be fine for some basic work. It's not gonna lag or anything. If you open too many windows doing multitasking, it might be a little bit slow. You may want to step up to i5 and 16GB of RAM. Otherwise, it's a good basic computer. And if you like the design, wait a minute, it's up to you. Let's focus here. This is the design. IdeaPads are like super smooth. And yes, it is being charged through USB-C. And this port is unusable. You can probably charge it with another power adapter if you have it.